Welcome to our quick beginner's guide to using AI in daily life. From simplifying tasks to adding fun and creativity, AI is here to make things easier than ever. Welcome to our quick beginner's guide to using AI in daily life. From simplifying tasks to adding fun and creativity, AI is here to make things easier than ever.
Today we're diving into the basics. Let's start with something most of us already have, our smartphones. Google Assistant and Siri are excellent examples of AI we use every day without thinking about it. Just say, "Hey Google," or "Hey Siri," and you're ready to ask questions, set reminders and more.
AI can also help with more creative tasks. Tools like ChatGPT allow you to generate ideas, write emails, and even find answers to tricky questions.
Let's say you're planning a party. You can ask ChatGPT for theme ideas, get help drafting invitations, or even ask for a recipe for the perfect punch.
Beyond voice assistants, apps like Canva use AI to help you create professional-looking designs in minutes. From social media posts to presentations, Canva has templates and design suggestions, making it easy for anyone to create visually stunning work.
With AI, the creative possibilities are endless. And the best part? It's easy enough for beginners to use right away. So go ahead, explore these tools, and start bringing a little more AI into your life.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. We love hearing your thoughts, and it helps us bring you more great content. See you next time.